Welcome to VGuide TV. This is a video of indefinite integration part 10. In this video, I am giving a very important equation of integration by parts. That also a special one I am giving now. That means we need to integrate u v dash of u v dash x dx. That is uv uvx minus integral of u dash vx dx plus c. I repeat, integral of uv dash x dx equals uvx minus integral of u dash vx dx plus c. Or you can tell in another form, this form. Integral of u of x v dash x dx is u of x v of x minus integral of u dash x vx dx plus c. So this is the form you have to remember. What is the case? Okay, normally we have u and v, but this is a special case I told you, right? It is u of x v dash x dx. If we need to integrate u of x v dash x dx means first term is u of x v of x minus integral of u dash x v of x dx plus c. We'll see one question. Integral of x e power x dx. Okay. So in this case, what we are taking, the first term as u and the second term as v dash x. So according to this question, u of x is nothing but x and v dash x is e power x. V dash x is e power x means we know that v of x also which one? E power x, because e power x derivative is e power x only. So there is no big problem for this question. What I told? This question is in the form of which form? U v dash x. So we are taking u as x. E power x is v dash x I am taking. But here there is no big problem because v dash x and v of x of e power x is same. Now apply this formula. What is the formula you see? U of x, v of x. So I am writing u of x, x into v of x also e power x minus integral of u dash x. What is u dash x? U dash x integral is d by dx of x. It is 1. So that's what 1 into v of x. What is v of x? E power x dx. X e power x minus integral of e power x dx is e power x plus c. That is e power x into x minus 1 plus c. Nothing is there. Okay, it's integration, simple integration we are doing. But the problem is you have to remember this formula. So what is the integration formula? You see, integral of u of x v dash x dx equals u of x v of x minus integral of u of x u dash x v of x dx plus c. Now see the next question. Question number 49. Okay. X integral of x log x dx. Very good question. Integral of x log x dx. Same like the previous case, I am taking this as u. So here the first term, I am just taking it as like the first term you are taking it as log u of x. I can take it as u of x. What is u of x? U of x I am taking as log x and v of x I am taking it as x square by 2. Why? Because the term what they are given, it is v dash x. Okay, so what I told in this question, we are taking u of x as log x and v of x is x square by 2 I wrote. Why? Because this term is x is nothing but v dash x. If v dash x is x means what is v of x? V of x is nothing but integral of x dx. Integral of x dx is x square by 2. That is the reason I am writing v of x as x square by 2. Actually, they did not give it in the question. We are writing. By seeing the x, I understood v of x is x square by 2. Because x square by 2, if you differentiate, we get which one? X. Now, next is simple only. We are writing the question integral of x log x dx. That is equal to, what is the term you see? The first term what you can write here, it is, what you are writing? U of x, v of x. So, u of x is log x into v of x. I am writing it as x square by 2. No need to confuse like x in the near. So, we are just taking it like this. No problem. Okay. So, what I am doing here, you see, what I am taking here, u of x, v of x. Actually, u of x is log x, v of x is x square by 2. But the product, no, it's a commutative. So, I am just taking x square by 2 into log of x minus integral of, what is this one? U dash x v of x. What is u dash x? U dash x is nothing but, we know that d by dx of log x. What is d by dx of log x? D by dx of log x is nothing but 1 by x. So, I can write this as 1 by x into u dash x v of x. What is v of x? X square by 2. So, see, this is your formula. In this formula, we are substituting nothing more. U of x log x, v of x, x square by 2 minus integral of u dash x. What is u dash x? I wrote now 1 by x, v of x, x square by 2 dx. Now, next step, x square by 2 log x minus 1 x get cancelled. So, it is integral of x by 2 dx. Again, x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2, I have taken it out. What is integral of x dx? X square by 2 plus c. That is x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c is your answer. So, here you see how we are doing this type of question. This type of question, if you need to do, means you have an idea about the equation integral of u of x v dash x dx is equal to u of x v of x minus integral of u dash x vx dx plus c. So, I showed you here how we are doing. So, the question is in the form of u of x v dash x. So, one term will be u of x, the next term will be v dash x. From that v dash x, we should find vx. That is important. Okay. If we need v dash x, from v dash x, how we will get vx? We have to integrate it. So, we get the term like that. Now, the second question, what I did, you check it. The term is x log x dx, integral of x log x dx. Here I did a small rearrangement, that u of x I am taking as log x and v of x we don't know, v dash x is x. If v dash x is x means how we are finding v of x? I integrated, that is x square by 2. Next, after finding these all, it's simple. U dash x also you find out and keep. U dash x is d by dx of log x, 1 by x. After that, substitute here. What we are doing? U of x, that is log x, v of x, x square by 2 minus integral of u dash x, 1 by x, v of x. What is v of x? X square by 2 dx. X square by 2 log x minus, same terms cancel, x by 2. Again we need to integrate it. That is x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 x square by 2 plus c. That is x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Clear? Simple only, no? So the thing is, you have to understand the basic formula. Basic question, basic formula. One more question will do it. Okay. This question, why I did an arrangement, otherwise log x, x means we'll get confused. Why 2 times x? So that's the reason we rearranged and doing. Now, integral of log x dx. Here, doing this question is only, for doing this question only, I introduced this method. In the next video, I'll give very simple form of integration by parts. Okay. So you see here, it is integral of log x dx. Actually, there is only one term here. So how we do the integration by part? It means we are taking this log x dx, means we take the one term is not at all there, but we are considering one term as x. What I did it here, you see, u of x is log x, v of x is not there. So we are assuming v dash x as 1. V dash x as 1. It means this question meaning is log of x into 1 dx. So log of x is u of x. 1 is your v dash x. If v dash x is 1, what is v of x? It is x. Now it is simple. You use your standard formula, integral of log of x into 1 dx. That is integral of u of x into v dash x dx is the formula u of x v of x minus u dash x into v of x dx. U of x they gave log x, v of x is x. So x log x. So wherever I want to write x log x into x means we get confused. So that's what x log x I'm writing. X log x minus integral of u dash x. What is u dash x? U dash x means u dash x is d by dx of log x. What is d by dx of log x? 1 by x. So we are writing 1 by x. U dash x is 1 by x into v of x is x dx. X get cancelled. X log x minus integral dx plus c. So it's simple. What is integral dx? X. So x log x minus x plus c. Clear? So this question you see, it's a very important question. I discussed only 3 questions. So this question you see, integral of log x dx. We get confused. Integral of log x dx, how I did is, the second term I'm not at all seeing. So I'm just substituting that as 1. Then we are just thinking it back. If v dash x is 1, what is v of x? It is x. Then we substituted in the formula, nothing more. V of x, u of x minus u dash x, vx dx. So in short, I want to tell where we use this type of integration. This integration means how we are taking, you see, u of x into v dash x dx. U of x into v dash x dx means u of x v of x minus integral of u dash x v of x dx plus c. So the given quantities are u and v dash. From v dash you find v. After that you find u dash, substitute it. That's all. So you see the first question I gave a very simple question. And the second question I gave it in the form of log x log x. From that we find what is x. X is nothing but our v dash x I'm taking. So what is v of x? X square by 2. Another question, there is no term at all. So we substitute, we are taking it as the second term is 1. If v dash x is 1, what is v of x? X. Clear? Clear? So in the next video, I am giving another shortcut for the integration by parts. It's very easier than this method. Very easier than this method. So I'll come in the next video with a shortcut for integration by part. Like, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the notifications of new video. Thank you for watching V Guide TV.